What the hell just happened?
I lost traction in the rear and like high-sided.
Today, Johnny, good to see you. You know, it's been a while since you've been out riding your bike.
Yeah.
Why haven't you been riding?
I don't know, man. Busy with music and other things.
You mean girlfriend?
Maybe.
Do you see the issue, Johnny? We have a Johnny K. Braps sticker on my Shitbox Edition GSX-R 750. We don't have a Delink sticker on your mint FZ09.
Hey, if you're rocking my sticker, I gotta rock yours.
Here you go, buddy.
What do you think, like right there?
It's a fantastic spot. All right, Johnny, I left today up to you. Where are we going?
So I want to go back to this brewery called Lost Coast Brewing.
I thought it was Left Coast.
It is it? I went there a few weeks ago with some friends, and yeah, they got some really good beers, really good barbecue, full kitchen.
Barbecue.
Yeah.
I'm always down for some barbecue. All right, I'm in. It's in Irvine.
Yep.
It's going to be a short day. If the video's short, you can blame Johnny. Dude, we got to go back to my house. I don't have my cell phone.
Oh shit, really?
Why would you let me leave without my cell phone, Johnny?
I don't know, man.
What the hell just happened?
I lost traction in the rear and like high-sided.
Are you okay?
I think so. I landed on my back, but
I helped him up. He seems to be okay.
yeah.
I looked behind you, you were there, and then you were just gone. Well,
I'm afraid to like lift the bike up and look at the damage. Yeah, just mirror.
everything did its part.
Little bit on there.
Yeah, mirror stuff. Yeah. Nothing major though.
Yeah, we're all right. Let's get it out of the road, Johnny. Here, ride mine. I'll ride yours. Here.
Yeah. You didn't hit your head or anything, right? No, you didn't hit your head on the pavement? Hit your head? A little bit, but not too hard. Slow. Okay. At first, yeah.
Take care, brother. Have a good one.
Thanks for stopping, man.
No worries. Anytime.
You all right? You're limping.
Am I?
Yeah.
You know what? So I totally high-sided, I'm pretty sure. I came around that corner, I gave it a bunch of gas. That tire hit the paint. I went down and then I flew over. Everything was recording though, so I'll be able to see it again.
Want to just go to your house? Where do you want to continue on?
I almost kind of want to continue on.
That's respect right there. All right, well, let's go celebrate your war wounds over a cold beer.
Let's just go straight there though. Is there a bruise there or anything?
Oh, yeah, you got a strawberry. You got a hole in your shirt and everything.
How's my helmet look?
Oh, your Senna took a beating. Your helmet took it worse than any of it. Your Senna's fucking destroyed.
It still works.
It's just scratch. I would,
Still listen to music through it.
dude, I think that's cool. I would leave it.
Yeah, I mean, if it works, dude.
The back of your helmet, Voss saved your life, man. I'll follow you.
Okay.
Johnny took a spill, man. That pretty bike finally tore up. It happens, though. It happens. If Johnny wasn't wearing that jacket or helmet, man, he would have... Think about it. If it was a no helmet state, dude, he'd be in bad shape. road just got a little shorter. Instead of taking the long way and riding around for an hour or two before we get to our destination, we're just gonna go straight there. Johnny's handlebars all bent. He's bummed, man. So yeah, I am sorry, man. What? You can still blame Johnny. Oh, he wasn't kidding. Today is a super short day. Left coast. That was easy. Johnny, how you feeling?
I feel all right. A little sore, little bruised and scraped up, but I think I'm gonna be all right.
I think you'll live. All right, Left Coast Brewing Company. This is your spot. How'd you feel about it?
I thought it was pretty good. A little pricey, but yeah, the barbecue is really good.
We got two sandwiches. We got a pulled pork sandwich. We got a brisket sandwich. We got the pretzels and onion rings. Out of everything we got, what'd you like the best?
Pulled pork.
Yeah, pulled pork for me too. I think that was a big winner. Pretzels were good too, but they're $10.
Yeah.
$10 for not a lot of pretzels, right?
Yeah.
Oh look, a seafoam colored Prius. It's my favorite.
Blocked out rims, baby.
Everything on the table you saw, plus 2 beers, came out to $64. And that does include tip. $32 a person. It's an expensive lunch.
Yeah.
I can't say that I'll be back for lunch, but I might be back for a beer in the future. Oh look, this popped off.
Oh.